Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Dear students, today's lesson is number system. As we know, numbers plays very important role in our daily life. For example, child is asking with her mother, please give me one glass of water. Mother, please give me one glass of water. Or today's temperature is 28 degrees centigrade. So what is this? These are the numbers. These are the numbers. So, before going to the lesson, we shall see different types of numbers. Different types of numbers. The first type is natural number. Natural numbers. What is this? Natural number means these are the counting numbers. These are the counting numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. These are the counting numbers. Symbolically represented as capital letter N. This is the natural number set is 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. There are infinite numbers are there. Infinite means endless. With the natural number, 0 is called whole number. Next one is whole number. Whole number. What is this? With the natural number means with these numbers, extra one is 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So whole numbers are denoted as W. Numbers we shall go for integers. Integers. What is meant by integers? Natural number are the subset of integers. So integers means it contains both positive and negative numbers. Both positive and negative numbers. I know you saw the number line. For example, the number line is 0. Right side of the 0, we shall see the positive numbers plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, so on. And left side of the number, the left side of the 0, we shall see the negative numbers. Like this. This is the positive one. Positive one. This is the negative one. Don't include 0, exclude 0, remaining numbers from the right sides are positive numbers, exclude 0, remaining numbers from the left sides are negative numbers. So, why we are calling natural numbers are the subset of integers? Subset means what? What is mean by subset? Subset. For example, I'll take one set of numbers. For example, in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 numbers are there. In this, I will take few numbers. 2, 4, 6. Now, what we can say? This is a set, this is a set. But this set is subset of this. So, this set is subset of this this means few numbers are taken from here. From here we have taken few numbers that is called a subset. And this is the subset. So why natural numbers are the subset of integers? Because in integers contains positive numbers. These positive numbers are nothing but a natural numbers. These positive numbers are nothing but a natural numbers. So we are saying natural numbers are the subset of integers, means from the integers we have taken the natural numbers. So now all positive and negative, all the numbers together we are calling it as integers. So what is it? So the set of integers are represented by the symbol Z. Set of integers are represented by the symbol capital letter Z. So what is mean by this Z? Z comes from the German word Zahlen. Zahlen. What is the meaning of this Zahlen? Zahlen meaning is to count. To count. So we are representing the integers by symbolically as Z. Okay, next we'll move to the rational numbers. Rational numbers. Rational numbers. Okay, what is mean by rational numbers? A fraction with an integer in the numerator, a fraction with an integer in the numerator, and a positive integer in the denominator. And the positive integer in the denominator. This is an integer, any integer. It may be a positive or it may be a negative. But the denominator must contain a positive integer. And one more condition is there. Generally I will write first. Generally we will say this is in the form of P by Q where Q should not be equal to 0. Means this 2 should not be equal to 0. Means 1 by 0 or 2 by 0. These are all not possible. These are all not a rational numbers. Means Q must be some positive number. Q must be some positive number. This is the one condition. And one more condition, decimal numbers which have a repeating pattern. Means this is not only in the P by Q form. If you are writing in the decimal form, for example, I'll write 0.84444 like this. This is the rational number. Why? Why? They are saying decimal numbers which have repeating pattern. After some points also fall under this category. Means after some point means, for example, not only like this. It may be 0.756666 like these numbers. These are all the rational numbers. Means two conditions are, what is that? One is we can write it is in the form of P by Q where Q should not be equal to 0. Or while coming to the decimal part when it becomes a rational number means it must be a repeating number. It must be a repeating number. So these are the example for the rational numbers. So the rational number is denoting by the letter R. Next we shall move to the irrational numbers. What is meant by irrational number? Irrational numbers. So generally we are saying it should not be right. Means it cannot be right in the form of P by Q. It cannot be right in the form of P by Q. Those numbers are called an irrational number. And one more is there. It is never ending number. Means it is never ending number. Continuously it will go. 5, 9, 6, 7, something like this. It will never end the number, and also it will not repeat once again. It will not repeat once again like this. It will not repeat once again. Not ending. Not ending means we are calling it as a non-terminating number. Non-terminating number. If it ends, we are saying it is a, if it ends, for example, half. Half is nothing but 0.5. It is a terminating number. Terminating. When it ends, it is a terminating. When it will not end, then it is a non-terminating number. And one more is, when it is repeating, we are saying it as a recurring number. Recurring number. If it is not repeated, we are saying it as a non-terminating number. So when the non-terminating number comes, that is an irrational number. This value is nothing but pi. You know pi. I think you know pi. Okay. Then rational means what? It is in the form of P by Q and Otherwise, it is recurring number. It may be terminating or may not be terminating, no problem. But it is a recurring number. When it is not terminating, then it is recurring. Understood? If you have any doubt, you can call me later. Okay. After that, we will move to the real numbers. Real numbers. Then what is this? What the real number says? The set of all rational numbers, and the irrational number, denoting as capital S, set of all rational numbers and the irrational number. Together we are calling it as a real number. Real numbers. Set of all rational and irrational numbers. Together we are calling it as a real numbers. Sorry, I said here it is a capital letter R, not capital letter R. Rational numbers are the small letter R. Real numbers are the capital letter R. Okay. Now, only rational number. Rational number means not only rational number. Rational number contains what? Rational number contains first natural number, next whole numbers, next integer. After that it goes for the rational numbers. Means natural number means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Whole number means what? Including this 0, next all natural numbers, isn't it? Including this 0, next all natural numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Next integer means what? Integer means including the negative number, all these. Including the negative number, all this means -1, -2, -3, so on, like that. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. So, it related to each other. Next, what is meant by rational number? What is meant by rational number? Rational number is nothing but all the integers. So, see, rational number contains integer, whole number, natural number. Integer contains whole number, natural number. Whole number contains natural number. So this is the one set. This full set is a rational number set. Now one more is a irrational number. Irrational number. So irrational number contains like this pi or root 2, root 3, root 5, like these numbers, not root 4. Root 4 has a factor that is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. This is not an irrational number. Inside the root, prime numbers must be there. So these all together we are calling it as a real number. Next, one more number is a prime number. It's a very important one, prime number. Which type of numbers we are calling it as a prime numbers? Any real number that is divisible by 1 and itself. Those numbers are called prime numbers. So which are the prime numbers? Okay, I will take a number 2. How can we write in the multiplication table? 2 1 is equal to 2. Any other factors are there? No. Okay, next I will take 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Any other factor? No. Next I will take 4. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So, but I can write this 4 as 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now, this is not possible. Why? Because prime number says any real number that is divisible by 1 and itself. Other factors are not possible. Means like these numbers we are calling it as a prime numbers. Next number is 5. 6 cannot. Why? Because 6 ones are 6, 2 into 3 is a 6, 3 into 2 is a 6. This is not possible. So, I think you understood about prime numbers. Further classification of the number system, there are decimal numbers, binary numbers, octal numbers, hexadecimal numbers, etc. Hexadecimal numbers, etc. But these are all comes in your higher education. Now, there is not necessary to study this one. Okay, next we shall move to the equivalent numbers. Equivalent numbers. What is mean by equivalent number? The rational numbers do not have a unique representation. The rational numbers do not have a unique representation. Means only one type we cannot represent the rational numbers. Means, for example, half. Yes, half is a rational number. Half is a rational number. But this half I can write in one more way. I will multiply the same number up and down. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. This. Next, I will take this half and next number I will take 3. 1 3s are 3, 6. Next I will take half, 4, 4. I will take 4. As it is, any number you can take, not continuous. It's not necessary like that. 25 I will take. So 25, it is a 50. So these all are the equivalent number of half. These are the equivalent numbers of half. See, I'll cancel. 2 1s are 2 2s are. See, I got half. 3 1s are 3 2s are. See, I got half. 4 1s are 4 2s are. I got half. 25 1s are 25 2s are. I got half. So these numbers are called the equivalent numbers. So the definition says rational numbers do not have a unique representation in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers. Q should not be equal to 0. Q should not be equal to 0. Okay, now I will ask few questions. Just you say true or false. First question is every whole number is a natural number. Is a natural number. Just you think your answer in your mind. Every whole number is a natural number. Is it true or false? You have to say, is it true or false? Just think the answer. Okay, now I will tell the answer. It is a false. It is false. Why? Why it is false? Because every whole number is a natural number, they said. But natural number does not contain 0, isn't it? Natural number does not contain 0. But whole number contains 0. So every whole number is not a natural number. This statement is false. Okay. Second one. Every integer is a rational number. Every integer is a rational number. Is it true or false? Just think the answer in your mind. Every integer is a rational number. Every integer is a rational number. The answer is, it is true. Every integer is a rational number. Why? I said already once. Integer comes. A rational number contains integer. I said already, rational number contains integer. So every integer is a rational number. It is true. Third statement. Every rational number is an integer. Is it true or false? Every rational number is an integer. No, it is false. Every rational number is not an integer. Isn't it? Every rational number is not an integer. Okay. I think you understood everything. Next is a problem solving section. We will see in the next class. I'll send the note.